Now I'm going to choose the rectangle tool and I'm going to draw a rectangle. It doesn't have to be a perfect square. I use my selection tool. I hold Alt on the keyboard and I'm just going to drag and make a couple of copies of these rectangles. I would like to line up these rectangles and make them evenly distributed. To do that, I select all of them and I'm going to go up to Object. I'm going to go down to where it says Align, and I want to align them all to the top. Now you can see they are all aligned. I'm going to move them over this way. They are not evenly spaced though. You can see there's different size gaps in between these. I would like to evenly space these. To do that, I can go up to Object, Distribute, Distribute Center. What that does is it makes all of these evenly spaced. Let me do that again. Distribute, Distribute Horizontal Center. And there we have all of these aligned center until I move it. I'm going to do that again. I'm going to draw an ellipse and I'm going to duplicate it a couple times. This time, instead of going up to Object, I'm going to make sure that I have my control open. I go up to Window and I want to make sure my control is up. I can select these shapes and you can see up here there's the word align. If I click on align, it gives me this visual of what it's going to do. So this time I can align the objects so they're all in the center. That gets that center point all next to each other. And then I can distribute them like this. I'm going to do it one more time of objects of different sizes. So if I have these different rectangles and they're all different sizes, some are taller, some are not as tall, they're close together, I can take all of these, I can select them. This time I'm going to use this down here, which if you do not see it, is the contextual taskbar. Make sure it's turned on. And you can see here's the align icon, and I can now tell them all to align to the bottom. You can see they're all aligned, and I can distribute the objects so that they are all centered